Have you ever wondered if email marketing is dead? Do you often wonder how to make your emails more engaging? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up a more engaging context for your emails? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about make your emails more engaging. Now let's get into it. The world today is dominated by social media, mobile apps, and smartphone technologies. There are countless ways to connect with your customers, but only one channel continues to perform well year after year. This is email marketing. News reports that email generates $44 for every $1 spent, a staggering 3,800% return, making it one of the most profitable and effective marketing tools available. Do you still think the email is dead? Not even close. If you are into B2B marketing, email marketing is an essential part of your business. But just as effective as email marketing alone is not enough. In fact, 44% of marketers say increasing engagement is the #1 challenge. If you spend time and effort on your email marketing campaigns, you should also make sure in your routine that people are opening the emails you send. After all, if no one reads your messages, it is just a waste of time and valuable resources. Okay? If the right emails are sent to the wrong places at the wrong time, their subscribers can unsubscribe from the email list or get worse. Chances are they can move in with your competitors. Depressing. Is it a big challenge to feel like people are opening and reading emails? You don't have to be tough. If you send the right emails at the right time to the right potential customers, create a lifelong brand promoter for your business. You have to be smart. His approach and the content of the content should be informative and personalized enough to persuade the recipient not only to listen but also to take into account his recommendation or request. Like any marketing channel, your marketing strategy changes and will change over time. Things that worked last year may not work this year. So if there are people who open your emails, what's next? How can you engage them? What is the best way to increase customer engagement? Don't stop your brain and follow these 6 basic tips to make sure your email is attractive and effective before you hit the send button. 1. Be sure to send a traditional welcome email. This may seem pretty thorough and obvious to you, but it is one of the best email marketing practices to engage potential customers. Welcome emails are letters thanking visitors for joining your company's newsletter and looking forward to the future. This will be the first time you can introduce yourself and learn more about their business to them. If you don't remember to introduce the new feature, the other emails you send won't be the same. Write your welcome email in a fun, humorous way while writing to your friends or colleagues. Avoid further use of the corporate language. 𝐥𝐤𝐬's most popular email, which made millions, would be enough to understand that. No one has written such an email yet. 𝐥𝐤𝐬's founded a company called CD Baby. He rewrote the automated email sent to customers after purchasing a CD. Initially, the email said, "Hey, we sent the CD." 2. Make a good first impression with a seductive line of objects. It's the subject of your first impression, and if it's bad, it's probably your last. If you received an email from Webinar for Everyone, how excited would you be to open it? You wouldn't even read the body line. Does it repeat many times? This line of topics is not only boring but uses webinars twice. In order to build customer engagement, it is always good to use simple direct human language without becoming too technical. Strong subject lines are short, descriptive, and promising, so people reading your emails will read the entire subject line. Research suggests that the subject line should be less than 50 characters. Treat the subject like a movie trailer, give it a preview, so they know what to expect. To stand out from the list of subscribers, nowadays marketers effectively use emoticons in their subjects to become attractive with a relevant topic. The most personalized and humanized strategy for communicating with recipients. 3. Add a personal touch to increase your click-through rate. Do you remember the personalization mentioned earlier? Unless brand trust has developed, You should speak to the prospective company as a person, not as a company name. This is because you are trying to get your readers to get to know, like, and trust you. One way to personalize your emails is to make your subscribers feel like they're chatting directly with them, and not just one of the hundreds of people. Do not send emails from addresses that do not have a human name. Anonymity doesn't work, and customers don't look at emails from marketing company names. Address your prospective or subscribers with their first names in the subject line or at the beginning of the email body. Everyone loves the sound of their name. Sending personalized emails binds and engages potential customers for a longer period of time. There is more than one remarkable thing in this email. What can you notice? What could be a better example of understanding how to attract your subscribers with such personalized emails? As a marketer, you must practice the deliberate use of more data to personalize the execution of your content. It's all about sending targeted content to those who want it most. It helps to register your customers, taking into account their socioeconomic preferences as well as other rich information about existing and potential customers. If you want to learn more about the people who sign up for your list, it can help increase engagement and build stronger relationships, as well as target subscribers based on their interests. 4. Avoid general messaging and offer real value to your subscribers. People don't want to connect with mailboxes, they want to connect with other people. Instead of sending generic content to all subscribers, take the time to tailor the content of your email to your best contacts and strongest customers. Segmentation by industry, location, spending, and other related factors that differentiate one segment of the target audience from another. Highly focused email campaigns will perform better and be committed to your subscribers. True value can come in many forms. For example, if you want to teach your B2B customers about the service or solutions you provide, it can be in the form of a blog, ebook, or valuable information, such as articles that guide readers through. Instead of saying something in a marketing tone, download this guide, explain why. Try to paint a picture of how your white paper will reduce your anxiety over a constantly experienced pain spot. 40% of B2B marketers say email newsletters are the most important to the success of content marketing. Statista offers real value to its subscribers in every email sold. They run an ongoing daily campaign called a Chart of the Day that advertises a data report on their site. If you share some relevant information, valuable insights, and new statistics with your email subscribers, your interest in daily updates will keep them, and thus more committed. 5. Use interactive content to enhance interaction. The use of interactive content in email is the #1 design trend in 2019. Emails containing games, quizzes, pictured carousels, GIFs, and pictures will keep recipients closed. For example, a customer's purchase is followed by emails as a survey invitation that requires certain action from the recipient. Using interactive content can help sell brands that support interactivity. 6. Consider the context of your emails. When a potential customer provided their email address, they did so for a certain reason. They subscribed to your email list to get something useful and valuable. Don't send them a general email promoting all of your products. Send them an email you need. If you want your email engagement rate to increase after you get what you came for, you need to give them the things they value. Here are some ways you can really connect with your subscribers and generate revenue from the list. Plan a paid email course. Share your links on featured product pages on your site. Offer exclusive sales and discounts on a regular basis. Create leading email sequences. Give them closed content. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about make your emails more engaging. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell. So you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.